Alright, here's a review of our Wyze touchpad electronic door lock. It's a deadbolt. It works really well. You can obviously program it here. I'm going to go ahead and just type arbitrary numbers. You can see it's got a backlight, which works really well. But the feature that we really wanted was the touchpad here. So it's very similar to like a touch ID type of use case. You can see right now it's not recognizing this particular finger. But I can go ahead and lock the door just like that. And now I'm going to go ahead and present my finger. It recognizes it and opens or unlocks the door. You can program several fingers. So my wife's finger is programmed on it. Mine is as well. You get a little battery indicator here, and I've had this on the door for probably 4 months now and haven't had to replace the batteries. If I remember correctly, it's just a couple of AA's. So overall, it works really well. Again, looks great, and I love the Touch ID sort of touchpad here. Works really well. Don't have to worry about phones or physical keys or mobile apps or anything like that. You know, you always have your finger, so that works really well. Here's the other side, pretty simple. You got your sort of turn knob here for locking the deadbolt. So yeah, that's it.
All right, so the door is locked here. Open it with your fingerprint. Whoop. If you're gonna do automatic locking, I would suggest to set it for a minute, because I had it at 15 seconds, especially with 3-4 people walking in. It did this before the door was closed. Whoever walked in last figured it's automatic locking and they didn't lock it. So the door sat like this all night. So I would set the automatic timer to a minute or more. That's the inside.
Hello, quick test of the Wyze unlock. I'm going to lock it now. Going to unlock it. That's it. It works very quick. Looks good. This is bronze, and this is the Wyze unlock block. And it looks pretty good. You can barely tell the difference.
See that there's love here. Hey, what will you change? I will for you. Yeah. I don't know the one is actually the other one is the shop.
So all I have to do now, oops.